Hello there, very good morning to you. The weather story is pretty much the same one that we've been telling for the last few days, and nothing changing. High pressure in charge up to the north of the country. So the wind's rotating clockwise around that, pulling a lot of cloud in across the east coast. But I hate to use a cliche, but in this case I will. West is always going to be best. We are sheltered from that cloud. It's not really going to make it across to us. So for this afternoon, generally cloud free across our patch. Lots of sunshine around. A light but noticeable breeze, I would say, and highs around 22 at best. That's 72 Fahrenheit. Obviously high UV, so do be aware if you're out in the sun for any length of time, there is the risk of burning. Overnight tonight, that cloud at the east coast does tend to wash across the eastern side of the UK, and it will make some inroads into our region. I think actually the Isle of Man is going to stay generally cloud free, but for the rest of us there could be some mist and fog patches in places, especially over higher ground, and maybe a spit of drizzle out of that thicker cloud as well over higher ground too. But elsewhere where you get some clearer skies, could be some mist and fog and maybe a little bit of a chilly feel to it out in the countryside, possibly a very, very small risk of a patchy frost. Into tomorrow that does burn back eastwards, so again fine and sunny, and we're expecting it to be warm again around 20, that's 68, and pretty fine for the rest of the weekend. Bye-bye. Hello there, I hope your day is going well. The weekend starts here, and I hate to coin a cliche, but west is always going to be best. Lots of sunshine for us. The eastern side of the country seeing quite a bit of cloud, but it's not reaching us. And this afternoon, sunshine across the Isle of Man, blue skies across northwest England, highs of 22 Celsius, 72 Fahrenheit, a light but noticeable breeze. Overnight tonight, some of the cloud from the east does tend to wash across the Pennines, a little bit misty here, and possibly there could be a spit of drizzle out of any thicker cloud over higher ground. But I don't think the cloud's going to reach the Isle of Man, so mostly clear skies for you. And then into tomorrow morning, a question mark over how quickly this is going to burn back, but potentially we should be up to around 20 Celsius tomorrow. That's your weather. Here's your pollen. So the tree pollen season is coming to an end now, so counts low today and for the next few days, but the grass pollen season is just starting. I think if you're sensitive to grass, you'll be starting to feel it. And that's it for now. See you later. Bye-bye.